Today I want to share with you closing arguments that I made in a case where I represented the defense. Somebody was being sued in a sledding accident, and I represented the resort owner many years ago, going back to May of 1990. I found this transcript hidden in some of the paperwork that I had in my house, and I thought you'd find it fascinating because it really is. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Before I actually spent my lifetime and career going ahead representing injured victims, I actually started out my career representing people who were sued in medical malpractice cases and in accident cases. And this is just one case. So here is a summation that I gave to a jury in Mineola in Nassau County in a sledding accident case. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've reached the part of the case that's now called summation. I'd like to provide a brief overview of what I believe the evidence has shown in this case. Everybody loves winter sports. Hiking, skiing, tobogganing, sledding, ice skating. It's a great thing. It's a great feeling. It's wonderful to do if you like the sports. If you love the cool wind blowing in your face, going through your hair, going through your body, it's a wonderful feeling. But along with those exciting feelings of the cool rushing wind in your face, along with the excitement, there comes certain inherent risks. And with those risks come danger. And a person who knows of those risks and places themselves in an element of danger, yet does the activity anyway, must be held responsible for their actions. Now, some winter sports can be termed user-controlled. Now, what do I mean by that? Like skiing, for example. Someone with skis, boots, poles. A person skiing can steer. A person skiing can slow down. They can change direction. They can come to a stop. Unlike sledding, especially with the kind of sled that was used here. Now let me just stop you for a second, because you need to know that in this particular case, you had a 34-year-old gentleman who went up with his wife and a couple of friends to this beautiful resort up in the Poconos Mountains. And this guy gets on a sled. It's not really a sled, it's a flying saucer. It's a plastic disc. And this guy is a big, huge guy, gets on this tiny little thing, and it starts to spin. And as it's spinning, he's going down backwards. And at the base of the hill, he winds up hitting something and fractures the the coccyx, the tailbone. And then he brings a lawsuit against the resort. So let me continue on the closing remarks that I made. You saw the type of sled that was used in this case. This plastic disc, this flexible flyer. This plastic thing may be 30 inches in diameter. It's pretty small, maybe a little less, maybe a little bigger. This thing has no brakes. This thing has no steering mechanism. This thing has no control. Absolutely none. You get on this thing, you're going, there's no way to control this thing. Plus, it spins around. And now it spins as you're going down. That's what makes it so much fun. It's a great thing to be on. Picture this, if you will. Beautiful northern Catskill region. Beautiful country area up at a place called Winter Clove. It's winter, January 1984. It's a windy day, a nice day, late in the afternoon, 4:30, 5 o'clock. So now what am I doing? I'm painting the picture of the event that occurred, the day in question. It's a gorgeous, beautiful, snowy day, and now I'm putting the jury in the position in their minds of what it was like to be there. In another video, I'm going to continue on reading this, and you'll quickly understand exactly why I asked the jury to reach a verdict in our favor as opposed to the injured victim. So I hope you'll join me in the next video that describes exactly why that happened. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.